Good day. So today, our group will tackle about the healthy eating habits. So let us first start with nutrients and their functions.
Hello everyone, my name is Cal Jared Bituliao and I will be talking about nutrients. So, what are nutrients to begin with? Well, they are what gives our body the power to grow, the power to recover, and to stabilize itself when we get sick or injured in any way. However, there are two types of nutrients, and let's talk about them. First of all, there's micronutrients. Micronutrients are what our body needs in small doses. However, that doesn't mean that they aren't important. There are two types of micronutrients, which is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins, they regulate our body. They keep everything working right and they also help us from sickness. Minerals, on the other hand, they reinforce everything that we currently have. Basically, they're the keepers of everything that our body needs so that nothing goes to waste. Now let's talk about macronutrients. They are what our body needs in large amounts, meaning they are very commonly consumed by us in our everyday lives. An example of that is when we need energy. And for example, if we get a cut, we need to heal that. Or for example, we need to store energy for long term. That's where the three types of macronutrients come in, which are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Basically, carbohydrates are the fuel of your body, hence the energy providers. Proteins are the building blocks of the body, and they build up everything that you have in your body, basically. And lastly, fats. They store energy for the long-term use. You might not need them now, but in the future you might. Also, they provide excellent protection for your organs and body. And there's water, the sixth type of class of nutrient. It is not a macro or micronutrient, but they still help your body regulate temperature, flush out excess waste, and keep everything stable. That's all. Thank you for watching.
Now that we know what nutrients are, the two types of nutrients, and how important it is to our body, we now discuss the important nutrients in foods. Well, there are nutrients that cannot be synthesized by the body and have to be taken externally through food. These nutrients are very vital for us as it helps maintain the proper function of the body and also helps maintain it for a long time. These nutrients are categorized into 6 groups, and the first one is carbohydrates, or in short, carbs. Well, what is the main function of carbohydrates? To be exact, it is our primary source of energy, and it is what makes us energetic throughout the day. If your body is low on carbohydrates, you will feel like your body is very lethargic in the meantime. Where do carbohydrates come from? As far as we know, the great source of carbohydrates here in the Philippines are rice and bread, and it is also popular in the community. How important is carbs in our body? Just like what I had told earlier, it serves as our primary source of energy, and not only that, it also helps us maintain our blood sugar level, which is kind of beneficial for our body also.
Calcium. It is a mineral that is vital for building strong bones and teeth. Ito ay mahalaga dahil ito ang nagpapalakas ng ating buto at nagpapatibay ng ating mga ngipin. Isa ito sa tumutulong sa atin upang makaiwas tayo sa iba't ibang uri ng sakit katulad na lamang ng osteoporosis or sakit sa buto. Ang isang tao ay dapat may sapat na calcium sa katawan upang mapanatili nitong malusog ang ngipin at ang buto. Makukuha ang calcium sa mga dairy products at sa mga gulay na kinakain natin. Isa pa sa mga nutrients na kailangan ng katawan natin ay ang cholesterol. Ang cholesterol ay isang uri ng taba na tatagpuan sa ating dugo. Mahalaga ito lalo na sa pag-produce ng ating mga hormones katulad na lamang ng estrogen sa babae at testosterone sa lalaki. Mahalaga din ito lalo na sa ating cell membrane. Mini-maintain ito ang structure at function ng ating cell membrane. Masama din sa katawan ng isang tao ang sobrang kolesterol lalo na dahil ito ay isa sa mga nagiging sanhi ng pagkakaroon ng heart disease ng isang tao. Nakakakuha naman tayo ng kolesterol sa mga manok, isda, cheese at iba pa.
So ngayon, mag-proceed naman tayo sa another important nutrients na nahahanap sa ating mga pagkain. Next dito is yung fats. Sabi dito, fats is one of the most important sources of calories. Since ayon sa research, ang 1 gram ng fat is nagko-consist ng 9 na calories. It is almost twice of calories na nakukuha natin sa carbohydrates and proteins. Ang fat is usually nahanap siya sa mga ginagamit natin pang luto, sa palaman ng tinapay, sa snacks, as well as sa pastries. Ngayon, bakit nga ba nasabi na importante ang fat sa ating mga katawan? So, we need fats because crucial siya sa energy, cell and tissue growth, hormone production, and organ protection. They also help the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, and K, and are essential for building cell membranes and nerve tissue according sa research. So, ano nga ba ang function ng fat sa ating katawan? Una is yung energy. Kaya nga nang sabi ko kanina, fats provide a concentrated source of energy and can be stored for later use. Next is nutrient absorption. Nakalagay din po ito kanina sa definition, which is they are necessary for the body to absorb fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin A, D, E, and K galing sa mga pagkain. Next is cell and tissue structure. Fats are a key component of cell membranes and are essential for nerve tissue, including ang ating mga utak. Next, hormone production. They are used to create hormones such as steroid hormones and estrogen. Lastly, organ protection and insulation. So, ang fats daw is nagtutulong para makapagprotekta ng ating mga vital organs at makapag-insulate ng ating mga katawan na nakakatulong sa pag-maintain ng constant temperature ng ating katawan. Okay, so, next important nutrients na nahanap sa ating mga pagkain is yung iron. So, sinasabi dito na ang iron daw is component ng ating red blood cells. Ang function nito is makapagbigay or makapag-deliver ng oxygen galing sa ating mga lungs papunta sa organs, muscles, and cells ng ating katawan. So, mahanap ang iron sa mga spinach, gaya ng spinach, soybeans, and other leafy vegetables. Ngayon, proceed naman tayo sa kung bakit natin nasabing importante ang iron sa ating mga katawan. Iron is essential because it is vital for producing hemoglobin. So, ang hemoglobin po is yung protein sa red blood cells natin na nagtra-transport ng oxygen galing sa lungs papunta sa the rest of the parts of our body. So, it also plays a key role in energy production, immune function, muscle function, and the creation of DNA hormones. Ngayon, mag-proceed naman tayo sa key roles ng iron. Una is oxygen transport, which is, sinasabi dito, yung iron daw po is a critical component ng hemoglobin, na gaya nga po ng sabi kanina, since ito po is nagkikarry ng oxygen papunta sa iba't ibang parte ng ating katawan. So, part din po ito ng myoglobin na nagtutulong mag-store and mag-release ng oxygen sa muscle cells natin. Next po is energy production. The body needs iron for energy production or energy metabolisms to make energy from food. Next is immune function. Iron is necessary to maintain a healthy immune system to help fight infection. So basically, ang iron po is ito po yung nagko-combat sa mga virus na maaring maging threat ng mga katawan natin. And lastly is yung cellular and organ function. Iron is crucial for DNA synthesis, cell growth and repair, and is needed for overall healthy organ and muscle functions.
Para po sa susunod natin na slides, meron po tayong protein and sodium. So, ano nga ba ang protein? Ang protein po ay isang essential nutrients na nagtutulong para mabuo, ma-repair, and ma-maintain ang body tissue like muscle, skin, and organs. Ang protein po ay gawa sa amino acids, which is served as a body building block. Proteins are also help to produce enzymes. Enzymes help to digest the food in our body, and hormones and support the immune function. Sodium. Ano nga ba talaga ang sodium? Sodium is a mineral that helps maintain fluid bonds, regulate blood pressure, and support muscle and nerve function. However, excessive intake of sodium can lead to high blood pressure and heart problems. So moderation is the key. Huwag tayo magpapasobra sa pag-consume ng sodium para hindi tayo magkaroon ng heart problems and high blood pressure in the near future. For our next slide, we have function of nutrients.
For our next slide, we will tackle the important function of nutrients. First, they are the main source of energy for the body. This function is primarily performed by carbohydrates and fats. Second, they help in building and repairing body tissues. This main job of protein. Protein are the one made of amino acid which act as body's building blocks. They are crucial for growing muscle, skin, and replacing damaged cells through your body. Third, increase the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. This is the key function of dietary fats. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble, meaning they are need fat to dissolve and be properly absorbed by your digestive tract into your bloodstream. Without fat, they are essential vitamins would pass through your system unused. Fourth, helps in the synthesis of collagen. This is a specific and vital role of vitamin C. A collagen is the most abundant protein in the body, providing structure to your skin, bones, tendons, and bloodstream. Vitamin C is necessary for a chemical reaction that does synthesize stable and functional collagen. Fifth, provides proper structure to the bloodstream, bones, and ligaments. This function is achieved through a combination of nutrients, especially protein, minerals, and vitamin C. These components ensure the body's structural framework and circulatory system are strong and intact. Sixth, they also help in maintaining the homeostasis of the body. Homeostasis means maintainable and stable internal environment.